Hello, welcome to Commerce Tutorials channel. We are discussing about the principles of management. So in the previous classes, we discussed about what are the introduction about principles of management, nature of management. So what is management? What is nature of management? So in the unit one, the next concept is here we're dividing a series of topics in unit one. So next we'll cover series of topics in unit 2. So I created a playlist called Principles of Management as a subject name, and you can find all the videos like class 1, class 2, class 3, unit 1, class 1, unit 1, class 2, like that up to if we get 10 classes, we'll keep unit 1 10, unit class 1, class 2, class 3 up to class 10. So next unit 2 class with the topic name. So it's better for you to understand what topic are we discussing. So now we're going to discuss about the importance of management. So what is management? So we already discussed about what is management. So what is the importance of management? So the emergence as an essential factor of production is an important event in the history of business. Classical theorists stress land, labor, and capital as basic factors of production needed for the production of goods and services. However, due to growing complexity of business and consequent increase in competition, both internally and externally, management has become an important factor of production. So, what are the different important points we cover here? Okay, so the first one is optimum utilization of resources. So, what is this optimum utilization of resources? So, we know what utilization of resources is all about. So, for example, we have 10 resources. So, whether we are using all the 10 resources or not, so even though we are using all the 10 resources, whether we are optimally utilizing all those resources or not, that matters, right? So a good manager secures maximum results in terms of production, sales, profits, and employee satisfaction with maximum inputs in terms of physical resources and manpower effort. So what happens here? A good manager secures maximum results. So what's the job of a good manager? He should secure maximum results. So in the production perspective, sales perspective, profits and employee satisfaction with maximum inputs. Okay. So what are the terms they follow upon? Physical resources and manpower efforts. Thus, management results in optimum utilization of resources. Okay. So this is the first important point which we need to remember. Second one, leadership and motivation. So leadership and motivation. So organization goals cannot be achieved by using force. So for example, in your organization is setting some goal, right? So whenever any manager, they are managing 10 people in the group. Okay. So if that manager every time forces that group that you should do this, you should do that, then the people or the workers present in that group will lose confidence in them, right? So organization goals cannot be achieved by using force. So what does management do? Management creates willingness and motivates workers to work towards the achievement of predefined organizational objectives. So every organization will set some objectives. So they should not what to say they should not command them. So they should motivate workers that if we work hard, our production will increase, our sales will increase, in turn you will get benefits, will get bonus. So in this way the manager should uh, what to say manager should motivate the worker. So what if manager motivates the worker, what happens with that? So what happens? Achievement of predetermined organizational objectives will be achieved. Thus management leads and motivates employees in the right direction. Next, initiative and innovation. So management is a group activity. A good manager works with a common consensus and creates an environment in which everyone gets as an opportunity to express his or her views. For example, every 1 week or something other, every 1 week or 10 days, manager should conduct a meeting. So what is the status of the project? Okay, are there any ups and downs of the project? So are there any single topic in which the workers can't understand that topic? So managers should conduct some formal meetings, and every employee or every person present in that team should given opportunity to, should get an opportunity to express in more as views. So this is initiative and innovation. Okay. So next is minimizes wastages. So for example, in new production, you are doing some work, and you are managing, you are wasting many resources. That's not the point, right? So we should work with less resources and you should gain more productivity, so that counts, right? So along with ensuring judicious use of resources, a good management also aims at cutting down wastage, both human as well as non-human management plans, organizes, direct and controls the activities of the organization, and thereby helps in controlling wastage. So a good plan should be there. So there is no use there is no use with that plan until unless you organize that plan. Okay, so first you should have a non-human management plan, you should organize that plan, you should direct that plan, and you should control the activities of the organization. So next one is industrial peace. So management helps to develop a healthy environment within the organization by promoting a two-way communication between the superior and subordinates. So how we get industrial peace? Okay, so manager should not have ego, right? So I'm a manager, I should manage all these 10 people. So you should not have that ego. So he should be in able to position to listen what the team is saying about either any ups and downs of the particular project and all. So manager, there should be some formal way of communication between superiors and subordinates. So what happens with this? This develops cordial relations between them and promotes industrial peace and harmony. Okay. So next is builds competitive strength. So in today's competitive environment, quality of performance determines the profitability of the organization. So for example, all the 10 people, in that only 5 people are working effectively. So remaining 5 people are not working effectively. So this in turn shows in the production. Okay, so productivity will be decreased or gradually decreases. So what happens is this manager should what to say motivate these employees to work perfectly, right? So they should build a competitive strength among, so they should explain the team that see how competitive the world is, see how other organizations are building towards the top of the nation. So where are we lagging behind? So what are the similarities between that company and our company? So where are we lagging behind? So how to overcome those lagging? So all these they should build a competitive strength. So if they build a competitive strength, which determines the profitability of the organization. So sound management enables enterprise to achieve higher levels of productivity and profitability, which in turns build competitive strength. So our point is we should build a competitive strength. So next is improve standard of living. So a sound management helps to improve standard of living of both the workers and consumers by improving its productivity and profitability. So standard of living of the workers and consumers should be increased by its productivity and profitability. So due to increased profitability, workers get higher wages. So for example, if any person is working for 10,000, let us assume. So even though he is working for 10,000, so year on year he should get increments, he should get benefits, he should get bonus. So that these workers will work effectively. So even though the particular worker is working up to 5 years or from the past 5 years, still his salary is in 10,000 without any increment. So these workers will lose confidence. Okay, so so if the workers get higher wages, that improves the standard of living of the workers as well, right? So consumers get better quality products at lower prices. So next is growth, expansion, diversification. So in modern commercial fields, growth and expansion necessary for making an enterprise stable, profit making, and economically viable. So you started a company in 2000. So every year we'll set some goals. So if we have a large goal, within 10 years my company should be this, my company should be that. So even though you completed 10 years, your company is still in the progress where you started your company in 2000. So in 2010 also your company has that much what is a turnover where you started at the 2000 year. So that's not important, so that's not the thing, right? So we started in 2000 with, for example, some 5 lakh turnover. So in 2010 it should be 5 crore turnover. So you should set some goal, right? So growth, expansion, and diversification is most important here. And the last one, importance of management is social consciousness. Business is a part of society. Thus, a sound management shoulders social responsibilities of business and contributes towards the welfare of different segments of the society, like consumers, workers, investors, shareholders, government, and society at large. Okay, so this is the importance of management. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept. So we'll stop with this topic now, and in our next video we'll discuss about levels of management. Okay, so what are the different levels of management, like top level management, low level management, medium level management. So what is the importance of each level of management? So how to differentiate between top level management, bottom level management? What are the pros of top level management, and what are the cons of bottom level management? So all these topics we discuss in our next video. So I hope you understood today's topic. So the people who are watching my channel for the first time, I request everyone to please subscribe my channel, and please share my videos to your friends and well-wishers, and please share your friends who are studying in different universities, in different colleges. Please share our videos through your WhatsApp groups, and please promote through mouth publicity or through WhatsApp. So we will be in a position to upload more videos. So if you feel like, please include any topic, so that please give include, or please type or comment in the comment section the topic name, so that we will cover that topic name in the principles of management subject. Okay, so I hope that please subscribe to our channel, and please support our channel in all possible ways. Thank you very much, and have a nice